Here is how to change your profile picture on field. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can change your profile picture on field. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you have logged into your field account, you will come to the discover section like this. Now in order to change your profile picture, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. After that, tap on this pencil-like icon that you can see on the right side of your name. Then after, go to edit photos. Now if you want to change your profile picture, you can simply upload the new picture that you want to set as your profile picture. After you upload the picture that you want to use as your profile picture, tap and hold it and then use it as your first picture. For example, tap and hold the picture, then after bring it on the first. As you do that, your profile picture will be successfully changed. Now when I go back, you can see that my profile picture has been changed. So in this way, you can easily change your profile picture on field. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.